Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Smiling Islander. Today we are going to make a fried rice. It's called Nasi Goreng. It's an Indonesian style fried rice. Nasi Goreng means fried rice too. Today we are going to make with chicken. One of the favorite menu items in my menu is Indonesian style Nasi Goreng with prawns. But today we are going to make Nasi Goreng, one of the most favorite protein in the world, chicken. Let's start cooking. We have 8 ounces of chicken, a little bit of leeks, Nasi Goreng paste. Again guys, this is my secret recipe. It is not so secret. Let me know if you like to know the full details about the recipe. I will do another video about it. A little bit of carrots, 2 eggs, rice, salt. Very simple. Let's start cooking. First step is we're gonna marinate this chicken with a little bit of salt. For the 8 ounces of chicken, I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of salt and then mix it, and that's it. Give it a good mix. Heat on. Gonna put some oil. Make sure the pan is hot, or the wok is hot. We are using a wok today, guys. Chicken in. Let's do some fireworks, guys. Our chicken is ready, guys. Now let's build the Nasi Goreng. We're gonna put 2 eggs in. Leeks, carrots, look at the colors, guys. Our Nasi Goreng paste in, rice. Sure, the Nasi Goreng paste is coated with all the chicken and the rice and the egg. That's the flavor, guys.